In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your bank statement into Zoho Books. Let's get started by organizing your financial data seamlessly with Zoho Books. To import your statement, the first thing you need to do is access your bank account within Zoho Books. You can do this by navigating to the banking module, which you'll find conveniently located in the left sidebar. Once you're there, simply select the bank account into which you want to import your statement. This step is crucial as it will prepare Zoho Books to receive the data and ensure everything is integrated into the correct account. Now let's move on to importing your bank statement. You'll want to click on the Import Statement button located at the top right corner of the bank account details page. This button is your gateway to bringing all of your bank data into Zoho Books easily. Once you've clicked it, you'll enter the Configure section, which is where you set the parameters for your import. Here, click on Choose File, which will allow you to select the bank statement file that is stored on your computer. The interface is user-friendly, making it quick to locate and select your specific bank statement file. Zoho Books is quite flexible in terms of file formats. It supports a range of common banking file types, including CSV, TSV, XLS, OFX, QIF, CAMT 053, and CAMT 054, which means you're not likely to encounter compatibility issues. Select the correct file format you have, and it should upload without a hitch. Following the file selection, Zoho Books will automatically attempt to map the columns from your bank statement to the corresponding fields within its system. This step is designed to save you time and reduce manual data entry errors by identifying and aligning your bank data with the required fields in Zoho Books. Once the auto mapping is complete, it's important to review these mappings carefully to ensure they align correctly with your bank statement data. Double-check the auto-generated mappings and make any necessary adjustments to ensure accuracy. Incorrect mappings can lead to misrecorded transactions, so it's worth taking a few extra moments to verify these details. If you find that you import statements on a regular basis, Zoho Books offers an excellent feature that allows you to save your field mappings. By saving these settings, you'll streamline future imports, making the process even more efficient next time around. And there you have it. Importing your bank statement into Zoho Books is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Regularly importing your statements can give you a clearer picture of your finances and help you keep your bookkeeping up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy importing.